In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix DoorDash acceptance rate going down automatically. Let's get started. First, it's important to know how DoorDash calculates acceptance rate. Your acceptance rate is based on the last 100 delivery offers you receive, whether you accepted or declined them. Real-time server updates. Sometimes the app updates late, which makes it look like your rate is dropping randomly. So first thing you want to do is refresh your dash session. A common cause of incorrect tracking is a stable dash session. End your current dash, close the dasher app completely, wait about 10 to 15 seconds and start a new dash. This forces the app to resync your stats properly. Next thing you want to do is clear cache for the app, so launch settings, go to general, head over to the option iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find DoorDash and launch it. Click on offload app and confirm it. Click on reinstall app. If you're using Android, press and hold on the DoorDash app, click on the option app info, go to storage, click on clear cache and confirm it. Next, check for app update, head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app DoorDash. After app appears, if you see the option update, click on it. An outdated version can show incorrect metrics or delayed updates. Next thing you want to do is avoid switching accounts or devices. These can cause temporary tracking inconsistencies. Lastly, check the server status of DoorDash. For that, launch your preferred browser, type in DoorDash server status, head over to the website Down Detector. If you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. As a last resort, you can completely delete DoorDash app from your device. Press and hold on the DoorDash app, click on remove app, click on delete. Then head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app DoorDash and install it. And that's it. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.